Hello guys. This is the first day of October 2022. And I'm here on my farm to give you an update about my farming activities. In the background is soon to be filled with it's the building of my chicken house. It's almost finished, and right now there is a job going on for the electrical wires inside and its store also. So I'm here, I'm here in this on the bamboo seeds. This is on the fence area where I have the prairie chicken. Although my prairie chicken now is free, roaming around, and they are also coming back. So I will show you also today an update of my eggplant. This is a second season of my eggplant planting, October 1, 2022 also. So right now, I'll tour you on my chicken house. So actually my chicken house was my original chicken house was in my other area, which is almost a kilometer away from here, and it is located on a rice field. But due to the typhoon audit and the situation that it is prone for flooding because it is a rice field, so I decided to dismantle it. That chicken house I built on last year. It was last year, 2021. Supposed to be, I will start on that December 2021, but sad to note that the typhoon audit hit this area. So everything, guys, it's a bad experience. It's my setback on doing agriculture, my first year of agriculture, and planning for a training agricultural training center. My my training building was also hit, damaged, and I have to lay down now because of the finances. But still we'll do that for in the future. But for now, guys, I transferred it here. I started my agricultural activities. This is my guys. So I have that prairie chicken now. It's given from the Department of Agriculture last April, and now it's giving me daily egg production, but not little, but because of it survives only 20 plus now, 24. So let's start on my chicken house. So let's start now. So I have several workers today. In the picture I have also I will build a small brooder house here because I'm now producing prairie range eggs. So we try to incubate it to a native chicken, and luckily I have already produced 13 chicks of my prairie chicken. And guys, for my the varieties of this chicken, I'm really, it was 4 varieties. I forget the name. You can see I have a black here and then a red. I have a black chicken. This prairie chicken that is not native, guys. And I have also the brown. Together here it is a fence area. Purposely I have preserved this one bamboo clams here and give me seeds. So now, guys, it's I'm also doing some activities of bamboo seedling. This is a giant bamboo variety. So guys, if you consider that sticks that it is supporting my net on this chicken house, it's a product of my farm. That is our giant bamboo. So almost finished now. They are doing the electrical wiring. Hopefully next week I can introduce my first batch of my boiler chicken, boiler chicks. And I am guys, I am planning a weekly introduction of 100 chicks on this design, guys. You consider, we go inside. This is fence, and I put some net here. This is to keep the ventilation inside and keep safe my chicken. My design of the chicken house is manukang walang amoy. So we will fill this with rice hull. So the chicken will roam around freely here, the boiler chicken. And this one box actually designed to around 200 heads. So but I will also introduce only 100 heads here. So they are now doing the electrical job and some job for the chicken house. So this is around this is 12 meters and I think 8 meters. Unsa gani sukod na to aning chicken house na to, ta? 20-40, no? Feet. It is 20 feet by 40 feet by 20. It's rectangular area. I think I have this golden in engineering, the golden I forget that on designing on stability of a building. So this is 40 feet by 20 feet. So design, it can house max it can house around 1,000 broilers chicken. But I will raise weekly 100 on the beginning to observe the market, guys, and hoping I can we'll see, because I'm still new on this, engaged in poultry. I have experience earlier, but it was not like this design. But my design now is different. So we'll fill this with rice hull. So I have also a brooder here for my newly introduced Boiler chicks. So, guys, this is the brooder. We call this brooder. I make also some division here. Division. And we'll put some bulb, lighting bulbs here inside. So this is half of the one marine plywood. So it will house 100 chicks here. So this will not be they will not be crowded, and they can be, we'll see later on. But this design 100 chicks inside this border, and in 1 week time I will open the division also. So electrical wiring is going on now. Hopefully it will finish. And I buy also some seeds, lamb seed. This is to give heat. I bought in the electrical shop this one. It is expensive, but it will last long. This is for my lights on the chicken. The chicks newly within 10 years old, 10 days old chicks. So it will be having some warming. A light bulb there, conditioned bulb will be there to heat up our chicks. So still we are so busy, and thanks guys for watching. Guys, thanks for watching my video. This is Maui, our electrician, Romy Consehal of our barangay Kagawad. Welcome to my channel.
Maui, Bibats, Hong Kong.
So guys, next week maybe I will introduce the first 100 chicks, broiler chicks. So this is designed for the broiler chicks, and this month we'll build also for our brooder house for our pre-range chicken. So we need a brooder house also. So it is designed only around 10 by I think 20 by one boxer is 20 by 20 only fit. So the brooder for my so right now still we did not clean it, the floor, but hopefully next week when I introduce the chicks, it will be clean up. And to give you update, really, this design of the chicken house is even my roofing. Just the new guys for the roofing of the chicken house. So I think I have there the good ventilation, and by putting some nets here, it can protect my chicken also. There's a net. I have putting some sticks, bamboo, and all this material, guys, almost all materials is from my farm, like the what they call the purlins. those are the product of my mangyom tree. So I planted more than 10 years ago a mangyom tree. Still I have mangyom trees there. So we're able to like this. These are the mangyom trees, guys. Saltwood. It's good, but I'm not recommending this also on your farm because this is very invasive, and this is not our native tree. This is from. But if for this is a fast growing also, guys. It is recommended only you can plant this in your border, but be careful of the invasiveness of this mangyom tree, guys. So I already harvested. I use it. So earlier I compute this finish this one because this is already the one with this mantle. So it cost me 75,000 at the time, but we never able to introduce the chicken because of I decided to transfer the poultry activities here in this area, where I also develop my agricultural vegetable farming. So this is a journey, guys. Thank you for supporting me. This is a journey for the retirement. I'm going. This is really. I don't know if you believe. I enjoy it, but sometimes it's stressful. Of course, the finances. So, a newly built on this chicken house. 1 year ago, it cost me 75,000, but after 1 year, and today, see the prices of our materials now. This is it is also coming up. So I maybe also the cost of labor. So if I build that 75,000 last year, so just 25% increase. So it would be this building will cost you 100,000, includes the labor and the materials, electrical, everything. I estimate this will cost 100,000 now. So this is a journey, guys. This is my first poultry house, or engaged in poultry business. Design this is for 1,000 boilers, but I will raise only 100 boilers a week. So we'll see the market. I will also make blog for my marketing. Hope, guys, you will follow me and see. You can see from me if I'm successful or no on this agricultural venture. I am a retired OFW. I work in Kuwait 21 years, and this is now my investment. The farm that you are seeing around is my own property here. I able to purchase 11 hectares here. So I have to start from zero, and we'll see if I can develop this in the future for a good farming activities. Thanks for watching. Please follow me, subscribe, and God bless us all. Happy farming, my farming friends there.